Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 7 fascinating facts about heaven that you might not have known. Let's explore the biblical insights into this celestial realm. Did you know that the Bible affirms the reality of heaven as a distinct realm? In Revelation 21:1-2, we catch a glimpse of a vision of a new heaven and a new earth, indicating its existence beyond our earthly domain. Heaven is depicted as the dwelling place of God Himself. Psalm 16:11 assures us of the fullness of joy found in God's presence, highlighting the divine essence of this celestial abode. One of the most comforting aspects of heaven is the promise of eternal bliss and peace, free from pain and suffering. Isaiah 25:8 speaks of the eradication of death, symbolizing the everlasting tranquility in heaven. The Bible teaches that heaven holds rewards for the faithful. Matthew 5:12 encourages believers to rejoice, anticipating great rewards in heaven for their faithfulness. Heaven offers the promise of reunion and eternal companionship with loved ones. 1 Thessalonians 4:17 assures us of being forever with the Lord and reunited with those who share our faith. Heaven resounds with worship and glory to God. Revelation 7:9-10 portrays a heavenly scene of multitudes praising God for salvation, showcasing eternal worship in heaven. Finally, heaven holds the promise of a new heaven and a new earth. Revelation 21:4-5 speaks of God making all things new, emphasizing the renewal and restoration in heaven. There you have it, 7 incredible facts about heaven. It's truly a place of eternal joy, peace, and divine presence. What's your favorite aspect of heaven? Let us know in the comments.